Hello guys, today I want to unbox this hydrometer. Okay, it's like this. Okay, now I want to open it up. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, this is the palm head. This is the Rayleigh battery tester. For we test the specific gravity, test the specific gravity. Okay, this is the good result. This is fair, and this need to recharge. Okay, so this is the hose. Okay, this is the front, the rear. Okay, this is the manual. Okay, so its basically is like this. Basically, this one, when you open up the battery, okay, the cover put inside there, put inside the battery there, and you suck it, pump it, let me suck it until we get the result is good. Then it means your battery specific gravity is okay. But you also need to check your voltage for the battery to confirm it is good condition. Okay, so this is my sharing, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.